Have you ever watched the production of Nissan Altima? Nissan Altima was the third most reliable car in 2019. Its amazing manufacturing takes place in Canton, Mississippi. The production begins with the body panels. The panels are made by a stamping machine. Now the panels are transferred by a conveyor trolley to the next station. After that, the front and rear windshields are fixed in their places. The radiator is assembled with the car body by a lifting device. Then the front wire harness process is performed. After cabling, the car headlight is connected with the body. Now the workers assemble the interior components. Next, the chassis, engine, and suspension are attached to the car body. After that, the car exhaust system is installed. Then various types of bottom assembly are performed.